Now we are going to start the seventh chapter, the coordinate geometry. In this, the distance between 2 points is calculated. We use the formula that is called distance formula to calculate the distance between 2 points. The formula is as suppose we have 2 points P that has coordinates x1, y1 and q, x2, y2. The formula to find the distance between these 2 points can be written as pq is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under root. So this is the formula which is called distance formula. Now we are going to start the exercise 7.1. The first question of the exercise: find the distance between the following pair of points. Mean 2 points given. Suppose first point A that is has coordinates 2 and 3, and second point B that has coordinates 4 and 1. We have to find the distance between this pair AB. We can consider A as x1 y1 and B coordinate as x2 y2. So distance between points AB is calculated as this formula: x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under root. Now we will put the values. X2 we have given 4 and x1 we have given minus 2 square plus y2 given 1 minus y2 given 3 square under root. 4 minus 2 2 power 2 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 power 2. So it will become as 2 2 ja 4 plus 2 2 ja 4 under root. It will come out to be 8 under root, which we can write as 2 under root 2. So this is the answer of the first part of the first question. Now second pair of points, that is considered as A minus 5 comma minus 7, then B point minus 1 comma 3. So using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under root. We consider the coordinates as x1 y1 x2 y2. So by putting the values, x2 minus 1 minus x2 minus minus plus plus y2 minus minus plus square. So it will be written as 3 plus 7. So it will become 4 square plus 10 square under root 16 plus 100. So it comes out to be here is plus 7. So it will become plus 7. It will become negative. So it will comes out to be minus 4 square. So it will also comes at 16. So it will comes out to be under root 32. So under root 32 can be further simplified as 4 under root 2 units. So this is the answer of the second part of the question. Now the third part of the first question is 2 points given. First is A comma B, second B is minus A comma minus B. So here we again use the same formula, distance formula, to calculate the distance between the points, that is AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under root. So here x1 x2 y x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 is minus a square plus minus b square so it will comes out to be minus 2a plus minus 2a square plus minus b and minus b minus 2b square. So it will comes out to be 4a square plus 4b square under root, which we can write as 4a square plus b square, taking 4 common because 4 is common in both the so it will comes out to be 2a square plus b square under root. So this is the answer of the third part of the question. With we have completed the first part of the question. Now we will go to the second part of the question. Now the second question is find the distance between 2 points 0 0 and 36 by 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2? The solution of the question is we have given point A, that is 0 comma 0. We will consider it as its coordinate as x1 y1. Point B, whose coordinates are 36 comma 15, that we can consider as x2 and y2. So distance between AB can be calculated as x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square by putting the values. X2 here given is 36 and x1 is 0, so it will be this, and y2 is 15 and y1 is 0, that is this. So it will comes out to be 36 square plus 15 square, which comes out to be 1296 plus 225. On adding these two, we will get 1521 under root. So cancelling the under root, the answer will comes out to be 39 units. Now the distance between two cities in section 1.2 is shown as like this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Point A is considered at origin, which has coordinate 0 0. Point B is given at this point, whose coordinate x coordinate is 36 kilometer, and from this point to this the y coordinate, that is 15 kilometer. So the coordinates of these points will be as A 0 comma 0 and B 36 as coordinate, 15 is y coordinate. The coordinates are same as we have calculated in the above formula. So the answer will also come out to be the same by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square, that is this distance, and this distance, that is equal to AC square plus BC square under root. So by putting the values, it will comes out to be 36 square, because A to C is 36 distance and B to C is 15 distance, so that is 15 square. That again comes out to be 1296 plus 225. On summing these, we will get 1521 under root. That on further simplification and removing the under root, we will get 39 kilometer. That is the answer of the second part of the second question. So with this we have completed the second question. Third question, we have to determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. So solution of the question is, here the point A is 1, 5, that is considered as x1, y1. Point B is 2, 3, that is x2, y2. Point C that has -2, -11, that is x3, y3. So we will use distance formula to calculate the distance between the points. So distance between point AB, first A and B, the formula remains same, that is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So by putting the values, x2 2 minus x1 1, x2 2, x2 1 plus y2 3 minus y1 5 square, it will comes out to be 2 minus 1 1 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 square. So it will comes out to be 1 plus 2 2 ja 4 square. Answer comes out to be 5 under root. Now we will calculate the distance between points BC. For BC we have to consider these two points. So the distance formula is x3 minus x2 square plus y3 minus y2 square. So by putting the values, x3 is minus 2 and x2 is minus 2 plus y3 minus 11 minus 3y2. So it will comes out to be minus 4 square plus minus 14 square. So it will comes out to be 16 plus 256 under root, that comes out to be 16 plus 196, that comes out to be 212 under root, which on further simplification gives us the value of 2 under root 53. Now distance between points AC, For this we will consider the coordinates point x1 y1 and x3 y3. The formula is x3 minus x1 square plus y3 minus y1 square. By putting the values, x3 we have given minus 2, x1 given minus 1 square plus y3 minus 11 and y1 minus 5 square. So it will comes out to be minus 3 square plus minus 16 square. So it on further simplification comes out to be 9 plus 256 under root, which comes out to be on summing 265 under root units. Here we can also write units are in which units the given points we have can mention those units. So the answer of 3 distances comes out to be 5 under root, comma 2 under root 53 and third is 265 under root. So the sum of the distance of any two sides is not equal to the third distance, so the points are not clear. Because for the points to be clear, the condition is the sum of the distance of any two points should be equal to the third distance. So we can write in this sum of distance of any two sides is not equal to third distance, so it is not collinear. So this is the answer of the third question. Question 4 is check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of isosceles triangle. So the solution of the question is vertices of triangle are A 5 comma minus 2 x1 y1, B 6 comma 4 that is x2 y2, C point 7 comma minus 2 that is x3 y3. So we use the same distance formula to calculate the distance between the points. First AB x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under root. So by putting the values, x2 we have given 6, x1 is 5, 6 5 minus 5 square plus y2 4 minus 2 square. So it will comes out to be 1 square plus 6 square, that comes out to be 1 plus 36. So answer is comes out to be 37 under root. Now the distance between points BC, that is x3 minus x2 square plus y3 minus y2 square. So by putting the values, x3 is we have given 7, x2 is 6 plus y3 minus 2 and y2 minus 4. So this will comes out to be 1 square plus minus 6 square, that again comes out to be 37 under root. Now the third point AC, that is x3 minus x1 square plus y3 minus y1 square under root. So by putting the values, x3 7 minus x1 5 plus minus 2 plus 2 square under root. So it will comes out to be 2 square plus 0 square. So it will comes out to be 4 under root, that comes out to be 2. So AB is equal to BC. AB calculated 37 under root and BC calculated 37 under root is equal to 37 under root units. So triangle is isosceles triangle. So triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. So this is the proof of the fourth question. Fifth question is, in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D as shown in figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. From this figure, we can estimate that the distance given in this side is according to x coordinate, and distance according to this side is given according to y coordinates. So the coordinates of point A are, point A is at x3 and y4, point D is at point x distance 6 and y is distance 1, point B is at distance x6 and y 7, and point C is at x distance 9 and y distance 4. So the coordinates I will show you these points into the solution, the coordinates of these 4 points, and we will calculate the distance between these 4 points one by one, and if the distance between them follows the regular pattern, then the distance between these 4 friends be considered as a rectangle, otherwise the other. So the solution of the question we will proceed as follows. Solution of the question is, fifth question is, point A 3, 4, point B 6, 7, point C 9, 4, point D 6, 1. So distance, by using distance formula, we will calculate the distance between the points. So AB distance, that is 6 minus 3 square plus 7 minus 4 square, it is as x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1, which we have learned in the earlier questions to use this formula. So it will comes out to be 3 square plus 3 square under root. So it will comes out to be 9 plus 9, comes out to be under root 18. So under root 18 can be further simplified as 3 under root 2. Now the distance between point BC, B and C. So this, for this, 9 minus 6 x3 minus x2 square plus 4 minus 7 square under root. So it will comes out to be 3 square plus minus 3 square, which again comes out to be 9 plus 9 under root, comes out to be under root 18, that is 3 under root 2 units. And then we will calculate CD distance, C and D. So y4 minus y3, 6 minus 9 square plus 1 minus 4 square. This again comes out to be minus 3 square plus minus 3 square, which again comes out to be 9 plus 9 under root, comes out to be 18 under root is equal to 3 under root 2. So now the last point, the distance between point AD, A and D, 6 minus 3 square plus 1 minus 4 square. These are all according to section formula, distance formula. So this is comes to be 3 square plus minus 3 square. It comes out to be 9 plus 9 under root 18 under root, that comes out to be 3 under root 2 units. So these AB, BC, CD and AD are equal. Now we will find the diagonals. Diagonals are can be found as, suppose these friends are sitting according to this A, B, C, D, then diagonals will be A to C and second diagonal will be B to D. We have to calculate AC, the coordinates considering point A and C. So according to the, by using the distance formula, 9 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 4 square. So it will comes out to be 6 square plus 4 minus 4 0 square. So that comes out to be 36 under root, which is equal to 6. Now diagonal BD, that is 0.67 coordinate of B and 61 coordinate of D, then 6 minus 6 square plus 1 minus 7 square under root. So 6 minus 6 comes out to be 0 square plus 1 minus 7 comes out to be minus 6 square. So it again comes out to be 36 under root is equal to 6. Since diagonal AC is equal to BD is equal to 6 units, so from the question's answers we can say that rectangle ABCD is also a square. This is a square, ABCD is a square. So this is the answer of the fifth question. Now the sixth question of the exercise is, name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. Here 3 parts of this question are given. In each part 4 points are given. We have to calculate the distance between these points and to find out which type of quadrilateral or figure they will form. So we will proceed the solution of this question as, first part question solution is, point A is -1 comma -2, point B is 1 comma 0, point C is -1 comma 2, point D is -3 comma 0. We will name any other name to these points also instead of A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Any type of name which you consider easily memorable you can give. So now we will calculate the distance between these points. First we will calculate the distance between point A and B by using the distance formula. So 1 minus plus 1 square plus 0 minus 2 mean converted to plus square. So it will comes out to be 2 square plus 2 square, that comes out to be 4 plus 4 under root, that is comes out to 8 under root, which on further simplification gives us value of 2 under root 2 units. Now the second point B and C, we will calculate the distance between point B and C. So for this, minus 1 minus 1 square plus 2 minus 0 square. So it will comes out to be minus 2 square plus 2 square, which on again further simplification gives 4 plus 4 under root is equal to 8 under root, that is equal to 2 under root 2. Now point CD, distance between point C and D, minus 3 minus plus 1 square plus 0 minus 2 square. So it will comes out to be minus 2 square plus minus 2 square, which again comes out to be 4 plus 4 under root, that comes out to be 8 under root is equal to 2 under root 2 units. Now point AD, distance between point A and D, that is minus 3 minus plus 1 square plus 0 minus 2 plus 2 square. So it will comes out to be minus 2 square plus 2 square. So it comes out to be 4 plus 4 under root 8 under root is equal to 2 under root 2. Since AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, which we have calculated, these all are equal 2 under root 2 units. So ABCD is a square. This is the answer of the first part of the sixth question. Now the second part of the sixth question, whose points A minus 3 comma 5, point B 3 comma 1, point C 0 comma 3, point D minus 1 comma minus 4. So distance between point AB, that is 3 minus 1 square under root. So minus 3 square plus 2 square, it gives us 9 plus 4 under root is equal to 13 under root units, because 13 under units cannot be further simplified. Now distance between point C and D, that is minus 1 minus 0 square plus minus 4 minus 3 square under root is equal to, it comes out to be minus 1 square plus minus 7 square, it comes out to be 1 plus 49 under root comes out to be 50 under root, which further simplified to 5 under 2 units. And now the distance between point A and D, A to D. So for this we can write minus 1 minus 3 plus 3 square plus minus 4 minus 5 square. It comes out to be 2 square plus minus 9 square. So it comes out to be 4 plus 81. So it comes out to be 85 under root. So from these distances we know that every distance we have calculated is different. So AB is not equal to BC, BC is not equal to CD, CD is not equal to AD. So ABC is not a quadrilateral. So ABCD is not a quadrilateral, is not a quadrilateral. Now the third part of the question sixth is A 4,5, B 7,6, C 4,3, D 1,2. So we will calculate the distance AB. 7 minus 4 square plus 6 minus 5 square. It will comes out to be 3 square plus 1 square. 9 plus 1 under root. It comes out to be 10 under root units. Now distance between point B and C, that is 4 minus 7 square plus 3 minus 6 square under root. It comes out to be minus 3 square plus minus 3 square. It comes out to be 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 under root, which further simplified to 3.2 under root 3 under root 2 units. Now distance between point C and D. C and D 1 minus 4 square plus 2 minus 3 square under root, that comes out to be minus 3 square plus minus 1 square. So it comes out to be 9 plus 1 comes out to be under root 10 units. Now distance between point A and D, that is 1 minus 4 square plus 2 minus 5 square under root. So it will comes out to be minus 3 square plus minus 3 square. So it will comes out to be 9 plus 9 under root comes out to be 18 under root comes out to be 3 under root 2 units. Since in this case AC BC equal to AD and AB equal to CD, so ABCD is a parallelogram because AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD because the opposite sides are equal. So this is the answer of the third part of the sixth question. With this we have completed the sixth question. The seventh question, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. So since this is the point on x-axis, so the y coordinate of this point will be 0. So we will consider this point as a C whose x coordinate is x comma 0, y coordinate 0, comma a point and b point. A point is 2 comma minus 5, b point is minus 2 comma 9. So let us calculate the distance between these points by using distance formula. Using distance formula, we have to calculate AC is equal to BC. So for AC, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So for this we will insert the values x1 y1 x2 y2. So AC comes out to be x minus 2 square plus 0 minus 5 plus 5 square under root, and the other side is x minus 2 square plus 0 minus 9 square under root. So it will comes out to be x minus 2 square plus 0 plus 5 square is equal to x plus 2 square plus minus 9 square under root. Here is also under root. We can cancel under root also, but proceeding further we will calculate it as x minus 2 square plus 25 x plus 2 square plus 81 under root. Now by squaring on both sides we will cancel the under root term, so it will remain as x minus 2 square plus 25 is equal to x plus 2 square plus 81. So now we will do the opening of the bracket as x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25 left side, then x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 81 right side. So here some terms will be cancelled, like x square is cancelled, and some terms will be add up. We will carry the x nominated terms to the one side and constant terms to the other side. So minus 4x comes to one side, and 4 plus 81 minus 4 minus 25 comes to the other side. So we have minus 8x, and it will on further simplification comes out to be 56. X comes out to be 56 by 8 minus, so the answer comes out to be minus 7. So the point C has the coordinate has minus 7 comma 0. So this point C is at the equidistance from point AB. According to the question, we have asked the point on the axis which is equidistance from point A to minus 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. So point C minus 7 comma 0 is at equidistance from A and B on the coordinate axis. So this is the answer of the 7th question. 8th question is find the value of y unknown for which the distance between the points P 2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y is 10 units. We have to find the y coordinates of Q point when the distance between point P and Q is equal to 10 units. So here we use as a for solution the distance formula, that is PQ. It will comes out to be 10 minus 2 square plus y minus plus 3 square under root. It comes out to be 8 square plus y plus 3 square. It comes out to be 64 plus y square plus 9 plus 6y under root. So which on further simplification gives us y square plus 6y plus 73 under root. Since we have given distance between PQ ten units, so by equating this to these 10 units and squaring the both sides, we will get it as y square plus 6y plus 73 under root is equal to 10. Now squaring the both sides, we get y square plus 6y plus 73 is equal to 10 cross 10 100. So this equation will become like this, which on further simplification gives us y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. We will separate this y into two forms, that is y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. So y plus 9 minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. So from this y minus 3 one term and y plus 9 becomes a second term, equating it to 0. So we will calculate y minus 3 is equal to 0, y plus 9 is equal to 0, y comes out to be either 3 or y comes out to be either minus 9. So two values of point q comes out to be, so point q can be written as 10 comma 3 or 10 comma minus 9. So this is the answer of the 8th question. Now the 9th question is point q 0 comma 1 is equidistant from p 5 minus 3 and r s comma 6. Find the value of x. Also find the distance qr and pr. Here according to question, the distance of point q from p and distance of q from point r is equal, mean pq and qr are equal distance. We have to find the unknown value of x from this data. So q point 0 comma 1, p point 5 comma minus 3, r point x comma 6. So since q is at equidistant from p and r, according to question pq is equal to qr, we have to apply the distance formula according to these points. So for pq it comes out to 5 minus 0 square plus minus 3 minus 1 square under root is equal to, now qr x minus 0 square plus 6 minus 1 square under root, that is q and r's. So now 5 minus 0 is equal to 5 square plus minus 4 square, it comes out to be x square plus 5 square. So it comes out to be 25 plus 16 under root, it comes out to be x square plus 25 under root. 41 under root is equal to x square plus 25 under root. Now squaring both sides we will cancel the under root, so it will comes out to 41 x square plus 25, which comes out to be x square 41 minus 25 comes out to be 16, x comes out to be plus minus 4. So now we will calculate PR. PR is x minus 5 square plus 6 minus 3 plus 3 square, because double minus comes out to be plus. So since we have calculated x is equal to plus minus 4, so we will put the value of 4 in the place of x. The formula PR will be plus minus 4 minus 5 square plus 9 square under root. So it will comes out to be minus 1 square plus 9 square. It comes out to be 1 plus 81 under root. So it comes out to be 82 under root units. Second, we will consider minus 4 when it comes out to be minus 9 square plus 9 square. It comes out to be 81 under root plus 81 under root, which comes out to be 162 under root 9 under root 2 units. Here in this we used plus 4, here we used minus 4. So that is the reason here we got different answer, here we got the different answer. Now we will calculate QR. For QR the formula is x minus 0 square plus 6 minus 1 square under root. So by putting the value plus minus 4 minus 0 square plus 5 square. Now considering first 4 as, because here the value of 4 plus or minus does not matter, because in both cases the answer will comes out to be the same, because minus 4 square comes out to be 16 and plus square 4 square will also comes out to be 16. So it will comes out to be 41 under root units. So this is the answer of the 9th question. Now the 10th question. This is the last question of exercise 7.1 of coordinate geometry. The question is, find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the point 3,6 and minus 3,4. Mean the point xy which is unknown is at equidistance from these two points. Points are A is 3,6, point B is minus 3,4 and point C which is unknown s, y. Since according to the question AC is equal to BC, because point C is at equidistance from point A and B, so by using distance formula, so we will calculate AC x minus 3 square plus y minus 6 square under root, then BC equating this x minus 3 plus 3 square plus y minus 4 square under root. So now we will do the calculation of opening these square terms. So it will comes out to be x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y under root is equal to x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. Now squaring on both sides, we will cancel the under root term, so it will remain as x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y is equal to x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. Cancel the similar quantities which appeared on both sides of the equation. X square y square appears on both sides and they can be cancelled. So now we can write this equation as minus 6x minus 12y, then 36 plus 9 45 is equal to 6x minus 8y plus 25. Now we will carry these into one side. So 6x minus 6x, it will comes out to be minus 6x minus 6x, this will comes out to be negative, minus 12y plus 8y means 8y minus comes out to be plus sign when we will carry it to the other side, and then 25 becomes negative when we will carry it to the other side, so it will equate to 0. So now we will have minus 12x minus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. So here the common is 4 because 4 is minimum, so taking out minus 4 outside, we will be with 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. The relation will be the 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the answer of the question, because we have to find a relation between x and y so that the point remains at the equidistance from these points. So this is the relation which keep the point xy from the given AB points. So this is the answer of the question. With this we have completed exercise 7.1. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thanks.